He's trying to scare away the birds with his catapult and by making some noise with this box. आप कैसे करते हो इसको? करके दिखाएंगे? हाँ, आवाज़ करके दिखाओ. करके दिखाओ. So when I was trying, so he's trying to scare away the birds because you see these are almost ripe and these birds gonna peck into them. So netting is not a foolproof solution. So there are these other solutions, other way outs actually. So there are these other way outs to scare away these birds, to keep them away from these grapes which are almost ripen. Otherwise, not all, but a lot can be destroyed by these birds.